I can't believe this is it. Hey YouTube, I'm back. Today I want to say goodbye. This is a very, very special moment in my life. Those of you who know me personally, those of you who know the journey, I've spent 6 years in this apartment. Let's get a little deep, okay guys? Now that we're in the season finale, welcome back to the Raw Vlog. So I originally moved here with my ex. We had planned to, start a life. It didn't go as planned. I've been trying to film this all day. This is the hardest, this is the most biggest thing that's happened in my life in a very long time. And I'm just so grateful. I'm in a space of humbleness, in a space of appreciation, a space of restoration, in a space of gratitude, because I feel free. A lot of you guys don't know that for the past 6 years, I've been able somehow, thank you God, I've been able somehow to produce. I've been able to produce in a space of depression. I've been able to produce in a space of addiction. I've been able to produce in a space of not loving myself the way I should be, of not valuing myself, of not treating myself with the love that I deserve. And I've just been so hurt here. I've been so confused here. Me and my ex, we went through domestic violence. He put his hands on me. We fought. Thank God I was able to keep the place, maintain the place. Y'all don't even know what it's been like. I've had roommates. I've slept in my living room. I've rented out my room. And I share this to say, guys, like, I've still been able to produce these videos for you guys. I've still been able to literally give you the best that I could for the situation that I was in. And there's been so many situations here. At one point, there was like 4 people living here at one time, and I had just always been in a state of trying to survive. Let it sink in 6 years, and I don't even know where the time has gone. I'm just not that person who moved in here. I'm not that person who was afraid to share their stories, who was afraid to make mistakes, who messed up a lot, who was very toxic, who didn't care at one time for his well-being or just others. Like, I've learned so much here. And that's why I just have to share this story, just so you guys can get a little more of me. Because season 3, baby, season 3 is I didn't even know I was ending it, guys. I tell you, there's so much God is really aligning. I'm so grateful to have you here on this journey with me. I'm so grateful for you guys to support me as I grow, as we learn, as we teach, as we empower, and spread awareness. If anything I want to do, rest in peace to the old me. Happy New Year. It is 2022, guys. You have to be intentional. We don't have time for anything less, anything else. For the people I've connected with in this space, just thank you for holding space with me. Went through domestic violence here. I battled addiction here. I battled depression and anxiety heavy here. To some times where like I didn't want to buy anything new for myself. I fought so much, and I'm so grateful, thank God, for a roof over my head, but I didn't want to be here. And it stems from home, and I've just been so unhappy, and I've been trying to fake this funk and really just pour myself into my content for you guys. I've really been trying to just pour me, and now I'm finally in a stage where I can finally pour back into myself. And I just don't even know. I took all day trying to do this video because I can't even believe I'm letting this season go. This was unintended. Sometimes I got so deep in depression, I just didn't want to clean. You guys are gonna get an empty apartment tour after this whole situation is over. Following in this video somewhere, it's gonna be in there. I say that to say, let God use you this year. Let Him really, truly use you. Your life, you don't know where your life can go. I don't even know where this is going. We are at literally the beginning, but we're in season 2, and I feel like I'm literally starting over a whole new life. I know what I want. I know the love I deserve. I know what I won't tolerate. Family, from friends, from first time I feel like I can walk out of here and leave you guys solid. There's no part of me anymore that feels broken. I can really, truly just live. Those who know the journey before me even getting to this apartment, the homelessness. Yeah, no, I get emotional. I put my story out here to encourage you, to empower you, to not give up, to really hold on. I really thought that I was just gonna die in here, just depressed, just unpurposeful, unpassionate. And when I tell you guys, it gives me chills because I have no idea what's in store. I'm literally just letting God use me, and I'm giving it to God. I want to share more of my stories with you guys. I want to get more vulnerable. We're going to go back in the past a little bit. 3rd season, we're going to really dive deep into my life, and then we're going to work on that healing process. This channel, for so many other things, this channel is for healing process. I hope that when you stop here, that when you watch from my videos for any amount of time, that you take something away from them. I really hope that they grasp your attention. I hope that they sit with you. I hope that you learn, guys. I just don't know what I would be here without just my faith, my prayer, my determination, my drive not to give up, because there's been so many nights and days and nights and days. We're talking about 6 years, people. Give me 1 second. That is 2,000. That is 2,000. That is 2,190 days. It is so significant to me that I give back to the world, as there are 2,190 days that I could have lost my complete mind. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to be all emotional. I swear I'm not, but like, you feel me? Do you feel me a little bit, at least? Damn, the only reason why I'm saying now is because I'm a wreck. Please take a second and comment and share, do all the things y'all know I'm supposed to say. I'm supposed to say it, and it's a perfect time because I need a second. I hope that when people see me and hear my stories, I hope that you see God. I hope that you feel God. I hope that you feel something, because it's not even me. It's not me. And this is going to be a year of restoration and healing, and just putting it back together and making new. Put back together and make your life new. You can, no matter how long you feel like you've waited. I literally had the same things around in my house for 6 years. Because I couldn't produce here. I didn't want to be here. There's so much trauma here. I tell y'all, the things that are coming up, baby, I am so blessed that I just have to give it back to others in any way, capacity I can. For all the other creators out there, I see you, I value you, and season 3 and the things that we have coming up on Instagram Live, and make sure you guys are following my Twitter and there's so much that is about to just blossom from this one move. And I'm just excited to be in position for whatever God wants to give me next, and whatever I'm able to give you. This has been such a magical, literally, manifestation season. As I talked about on our anniversary, I didn't know I was gonna meet a lot of you guys. I didn't know I was going to collab with you guys. It's just so special. It's very, very special. If you played any part of this, thank you. I literally throwing everything out. I'm literally about to move with maybe a couple of bags, couple of boxes. Gotta take my seasonings. I love cooking. And I'm out, and I'm everything that just doesn't resonate with who I am, or just who a part of this 6-year, 2,190-day process. Lord, it's gone. It's gone. I'm starting fresh. I'm starting fresh. And I hope that empowers you, that you can start fresh too. This is my high school hoodie. I feel like it was, I was packing stuff, right? And one of my grandmother's plaques, and she gave it to me. And there's something that says, as you graduate. And I was like, I'm not in high school anymore. But take something from this, please. As you graduate, you are going to continue to graduate and move on. When it's served its purpose, when it's time. I did not want to be here for the amount of time that God has allowed me to be here, you know? Everyone has their time. Remember that. Don't be jealous. Don't be angry. Don't bless people when it's their time. You never, ever, ever know what they've been through to get there. How hard they worked to get there. And I'm gonna, cause it's ranting, it's preaching. God is doing something, but I hope that like you guys stay along for the ride, because this is going to be a crazy process. You guys are going to get more into my life. We're going to get more personal. We're going to get deeper and deeper, and we're going to unlayer and unravel just me and my essence of who I am, so that way I can hopefully spread and impact your lives somehow. Your likes, your comments, your subscriptions are valued, loved, and appreciated. And season 3, but don't worry, guys. You guys still have meditation, affirmation, look good, feel good. You know, I still have those segments, and you'll see me. I'll be here. But as I get this new set together and figure out what's it gonna look like, and get the collabs and my stories together, and get ready to really unpack some more with you guys. So hold on, okay? I'll be back sooner than you think, and I love you. And just thank you for just loving on me and supporting me in this journey of being able to talk to you guys and spread my awareness and share my stories and unpack and cry and just be me, man. So don't cry either, guys. I'm done. And I always be like, I'm not gonna cry in the finale. I'm not gonna cry on set. I just be like, waterworks. I love you guys for real. Thank you for being a ranter. Can't wait to show you all the things that's coming up, because it's so good. Bye, guys. Can't wait to move. We're moving. Let's go. We gotta dismantle this couch, which is one of the reasons why the season's ending. We gotta. What's the new couch giving? What's the new space giving, y'all? But I gotta go. We got stuff to do. Oh yeah, the empty apartment tour is coming up. Stay tuned. It's in this video. Don't go anywhere. This moving shit is for the birds, y'all. I can't believe it. This is really the last moments here. To the Rob Vlog, to everyone just supporting me on my journey. Because we're about to get deep. I promise you guys, like, a tour. And we're gonna give it the best I got, because I'm coming back to place to clean up and stuff, but I'm just trying to really get out of here. And I'm taking stuff in an Uber. It's a lot. I just want to be transparent, share more of my stories, and hopefully, again, just empower you guys. So here we go. So here's my bathroom. One of the reasons why I chose to move to this apartment with my ex. I loved it. It was so spacious, so cute, marble. You could go to the bathroom right here, someone shower, all that great stuff. So a couple of things I want to share with you guys. Like when I said, when you live in a space of depression and you just are like, the rain could have caved in and killed me at one point. And I'm just like, you know, I'm dramatic, y'all, but y'all see, I was just like, I really just don't want to live here. I don't. This was the most scariest to me. And I was like, can y'all just do my apartment over, please? But at that point, you know, repairs, and I was like, just push yourself, just hold on. But yeah, this is my space. This is my kitchen. I loved her so much. Don't mind the dishes in there. I have to come back and clean. I'm gonna actually just toss everything because I don't give a fuck. I'm so grateful for the times, but I was really, like I said, if you watch this, oh yeah, this is the season finale. So this is my room, which I never really went back in after a while. I stayed in my living room a bunch of shit I gotta throw out of there, y'all. This secret chamber was lit, like low-key. But it was also worse, because when it was time to clean this shit out, I was like, what the fuck is in here from 1978? Like, what? You're wildin'. But, all right, so here's the real thing. Here's my long-ass hallway. Yo, I gotta dump half these bags out. These bags and boxes that are right here, like, going into an Uber, like sometimes I say this to encourage, I have to tape them, of course. I'm not finished, y'all, again. But sometimes you have to struggle. Sometimes you have to do the work. Sometimes you have to wait your turn. Sometimes, you know, even like I said, this move, I'm hoping that this guy will be like, he doesn't even know, about to know. I'm about to order Uber XL and like, just, you know, just wait. That's it. Just wait for me to travel and tip. I'm going to tip him really well. And I hope he does this for me. And we're going to see how this goes. And pray, be faithful, do the work, treat people well. It's like, I'm just so blessed to be able to produce in what I called chaos, you know what I mean? But still very much grateful I had a roof over my head. Some people don't have that. I'm just so grateful to just see where this goes and where we go and this journey, you guys. I'm ready to go. You guys ready to go? Are you guys ready to go home? Yeah, the vlogs are gonna get personal. The vlogs, now that I can heal, I can let you guys in more because I can talk about it from a different space. Hey YouTube! And by the way, I never really explained that, guys. So that comes from a space, the Hey YouTube came from the big kid in me. You know, I've always wanted to vlog. I've always wanted to share my stories and talk about the things as they were happening as I was growing up, but I just couldn't, and such a time is now, you know? So here we are, here we motherfucking go. Okay, the next part set, stay tuned because the new apartment tour is, I'm starting fresh, y'all, into this new apartment. And we're gonna talk about that when we get there, okay? So hold on tight. I love you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all the things. Share, empower someone, and hold on if you're in the struggle or you're struggling, because God can literally change your life tomorrow. All right, y'all, I'm sweating as fuck right now. Can't wait to just fall out. All right, y'all, we made it. We here. Welcome to the tour. You guys were with me when I moved. I am getting settled in right now. I love my kitchen. It's such, if anybody knows from the last apartment to this one, y'all, I really love to cook. So I can't wait to get in here and throw it out. It's gonna be great. Next, we have the bathroom. Had to put on my shower curtain tonight. I'm really excited to give you guys an apartment tour. There's a closet there. Mind your business. Get out my personal space. Yeah, we're gonna do great thing. And then there's my room, but y'all can't go in there. It's personal and private, okay? Period. Basically, this is my space. I'm really excited to get in here and create. Not gonna keep you guys too long. It's gonna be fab. So as I take some time to get settled and do all the things, y'all. Okay, we've got a show to plan. So I'll see you guys really soon. I'm gonna take some time. I'm gonna do some meditations and still give you guys content and do what I can, but I'm gonna go take some time and just really enjoy peace, okay? Because it's been a long time coming. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much.